Meaning of idolize.
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 Idolize. The word idolize means to admire or worship someone or something to an excessive degree, often blindly and uncritically. When one idolizes someone, they elevate that person to a position of almost divine status and see them as perfect or flawless. This can lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment when the idolized person inevitably disappoints or fails. Furthermore, excessive idolization can lead to unhealthy behavior such as obsessive stalking, isolation from friends and family, and even self-harm. Therefore, it is important to maintain a balanced and rational perspective towards those we admire.